Molweni! Exciting news, I'm in King of the Air and it could be on this weekend, so make sure you stay tuned. I haven't had time to put out a video for a while because I've been super busy coaching in Brazil. Speaking of coaching, check out this fucking awesome video from the best clinic we have ever run. Meow.
I'm a windsurfer from the beginning, since most of you were born, I would say. 1983 I started to wind.
I used to be a sailor, so
I was a surfer just like you when I started out.
I was working a ton and I was like, man, this isn't gonna, if I am still doing this 5 years from now without like something else to like push myself on.
it's like meditating.
I'm enjoying, I can feel the wind, the sun, everything, and it's like being just there.
About the freedom and breaking your own limits, boundaries, you know.
I'm able to be so present in the moment, and then I get back to shore and I got better perspective.
Super fall in love with guys.
Brazil is hands down my #1 kite spot in the entire world. Period.
The spot, and it's flat, it's got kickers.
It exceeded expectation.
I was like, I cannot believe how nice this spot is. And then like to find out we had it all to ourselves.
Because there's so many other guys pushing themselves.
You go into it knowing I'm gonna try stuff that I can't do or I'm not good at, and the purpose is to get better at it.
So much positive energy and everyone is happy and stoked to be here.
Sharing moments in the water, vibing with each other.
Number 1, have fun. Then number 2, I wanted kite loops. So number 3, I wanted bigger inversions.
I've hurt my ribs 2 times and this was like 3rd time. If I don't get them this time, I'm giving up on it. The last day of the clinic, I was finally consistently nailing them over and over again.
just want to take a moment to say thank you so much to Trevor, Chris, Rodrigo, Daniel, Rich, and Hampus for joining us in this clinic on this amazing adventure. It was so much fun, and I really hope we get to see you guys again next year. To everybody else, don't miss out on the next one. Meow. Trevor, Daniel, Rodrigo, Rich, Campus, and who am I missing? And Chris. Okay, let's cut that.